Hi, this is Jose Schmidt with Hair Transplants of Florida, back with more information. So today, it's the middle of the week, very busy week of surgeries in our Orlando Surgery Center. As you may know, we have two surgery centers, one in Orlando, Florida, one in Fort Myers, Florida. All this week we've been performing surgeries here in Orlando and just helping a lot of people get their hair back so they look good and feel good. That's what we dedicate ourselves to. Today, had a consultation, very interesting consultation with a male patient. And, we got into the options that people have here in Orlando and everywhere else, really. And there's so many options today for hair restoration clinics. A lot of them are not specialists. We are one of the several that are specialists in Florida. And, we started specifically talking about reviews and he asked me, how do I pick out a review whether it's legitimate or not? Because unfortunately today some clinics, they will contract a company that offers the services to give fake reviews for that clinic to make them look a lot more important and favorable than many others because they have the most patient reviews, 5-star reviews. And I told them, look, there's really two ways. One is read through a bunch of them, and they're going to start to really sound the same because these things are done electronically and they change a few words here and there, but you start to catch a pattern of how they all begin to sound the same. So that's one way of checking that. Another way is, if you see a clinic with so many 5-star reviews, 100, 130, 150, and then you check their results pages and they're not impressive, that's also another sign that that company is using fake reviews to inflate them, make them look so good, like everybody loves them and they deliver great work. But then you go to the results page and you're disappointed. And you say to yourself, man, that doesn't look very impressive at all. Before and after pictures, how can it be that they have so many great reviews? That means you caught them. So nowadays, I always tell patients, do your homework, check the doctor, make sure they're a surgeon, make sure they have memberships to the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, make sure that they specialize only in hair, and now, more importantly, make sure those results pages are impressive. They're before and after results, because at the end of the day, that's what you're looking for. That's pedal to the metal, nitty gritty. That's what you're going to put yourself through as far as a surgery, and it's what you're paying for. So make sure you check all those points, especially reviews, balanced with great results. If not, there's a problem there. So just as a reminder, Hair Transplants of Florida is offering our patients an additional $500 discount from here to the end of December, the end of the year 2019. Anybody that does surgery with us will get an additional $500 off from our already lower pricing that we have in the industry. So if you're interested in a free face-to-face consultation or virtual consultation, you can reach us at 855-855-4310, and you can check out our results page at www.hairtransplantsoflorida.com. Again, my name is Jose Schmidt, Patient Education Director with Hair Transplants of Florida. We look forward to hearing from you.